So another way to roll a slab is you can grab some canvas and grab a rolling pin. We've got a very large rolling pin, we've got some in the drawers, we've even got little pieces of wood that can use as a rolling pin. If you're rolling at home and you don't have access to a rolling pin, a bottle of wine will work. I actually use a piece of PVC pipe at home just because it's fairly large and lighter and easier to store than a rolling pin. If you do use something that's not made out of wood, you need to put something over it so it won't stick. You can put a piece of canvas over it, or I actually at home have a piece of nylon, just like a leg of a nylon on top of my PVC pipe. So I've got some canvas down because I don't want to stick to the table or the counter. And I've got just a piece of clay that I wedged and then just kind of slammed with my hand a little bit. If your hands hurt by doing that, you can use the weight of the rolling pin to get it roughly into how thin you want it to begin with. And then you know how to use a rolling pin, I'm sure. You're going to roll this piece. The direction that you roll in is the direction that your clay is going to spread out in. I've actually got a little air pocket happening here. It happened because you can see it when I push on it, it kind of moves. It's happening because I didn't carefully clean up after I didn't carefully prepare the clay. Just grab a needle tool. I don't have a needle tool handy, so let's see. Poke it with something, and you can get that air out of there. Now if I continue to roll, it'll mostly flatten out. I recommend you flip every once in a while like this. Some people like to, so a rolling pin is naturally not going to get you quite as even a slab as a slab roller. If you want to use a rolling pin and control how even it is, you can get a couple of rulers, a couple of pieces of wood that are the same thickness, like these guys, put them on either side, and now rolling with those pieces of wood, I can't get any thinner than that. And so my slab is going to end up the same thickness on either side, regardless of how much force I put down on either side. Of course, you can still roll textures and things into this, and of course, you're still, on the one side, going to have canvas texture. And so in the next video, I'll show you how to get rid of that canvas texture. Thanks.